Hello everyone. Today is the first day of our class on geography. In this video, I will break the chapter in crisp and a digestible format for you to process. So without any further ado, let's get on with it. Today, we are going to talk about chapter Earth in the Solar System. This is the first chapter in class 6 for NCERT Geography book and West Bengal Board 2. So the first page talks about the solar system, much preferably our sky, like how the sky looks like and what are the shiny and bright objects that are there, like moon, stars, etc. So here in our book, the first line tells something about the sky. Let's read it. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. We will notice that one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon we can see that the number is increasing, right? After then, you cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is covered with the tiny shining objects, right? Some are bright of them and some are dim. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on most of the days. And it is appear at different times in different shape. You can see full moon only once in about a month. Full moon night is also may called Purnima, and the new moon night is called Amavasya. On this time, that means in Amavasya time, you cannot see the moon at all, but you can watch the view of night sky as a best way. And the difference between them, full moon and the new moon, is that time you may call it the fortnight. Okay. And the next important word is celestial body. What is celestial bodies? Any objects that are shining in the night sky that are also called as celestial bodies. So, as the example, you can say a star is a celestial body, right? Not only the star, you may call it a moon also a celestial body. Remember it. Okay. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and lights, which they emit in a large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. Okay. The sun is a star. Okay. Okay, alright. Here in the next para, something very important has been said. A while ago, we learned that the sun is a star. Then why the rest of the stars do not have as much light or heat as sun? Because all the rest of stars are situated very, very far from us compared to the sun. Actually the sun is the nearest star of us. Remember that. Anyways, so this is everything that is there in the first page. I hope there is nothing on the first page that create a problem to understand. However, you face some difficulty to understand, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So now let's move on the second page. Here we will talk about the constellations, planets, pole stars, etc. Okay. So before discussing the textual part, let's see the picture. Okay. What do we see here? Yes, some of stars are scattered and some of them in a group, right? These are called constellations. So here in the textbook it says, while watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed different groups of stars. These are called constellations. Like Ursa Major is such a constellations. Okay. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Sapta Rishi. It is a group of 7 stars. Okay, that form a part of Ursa Major constellations. So why we give such a name like this? It has so many stories. This is not a accurate time to discuss about that, because it is a huge thing to describe. Anyway, let's study the next point. The pole star. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called pole star. It always remains the same position in the sky. And we also can see these lines that in ancient times people used to determine direction during the nights with the help of stars. Okay. Come to the next point, planets. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetai, which means wanderers. Okay, the Earth is a planet where we live, right? It gets all its heat and lights from sun, and sun is a star, which is our nearest star. This is the line here mentioned. If we look at the Earth from the great distance, say the moon, it will appear to be shining just as the moon. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our Earth and moves around it like our Earth. There are 7 other planets that get heat and light from sun. Some of them have their moons too. Okay, so that's all for the day. Okay, and in our next class we will complete this chapter in the next video, and we will discuss about these issues in detail. These issues mean about the solar systems, about the other planets, okay, their names, about sun, moons, earths, etc., as per our textbook, and more. Okay, so I hope you understand the whole matter that I discussed. If you like this kind of discussion or something, so please do subscribe my channel and keep support me. Thank you.